Hello friends, today I am going to show how to do simple balloon decorations at home. Everyone likes to do balloon decoration. Come, let's start the video. In this video I am going to show how to do a balloon bunch. To do balloon bunch, what all we need is balloons, color of your choice, balloon pump, plaster and scissor. I am having balloon machine, so I am using balloon machine to blow the balloons. Here I am blowing the balloon of medium size. Here I am taking medium size balloon. It should not be very small and it should not be very big. This is the medium size. I will blow other balloon. Both the balloons should be of same size. Make sure that both balloons should be of equal size. Now I will show how to tie the balloons. Please observe carefully how to tie the balloons. If we are tying single balloons, then it will take long time for our decoration. So to avoid that, I am tying both the balloons at a time. This is a medium size. I will blow other balloon. Both balloons are of equal size. Now I will tie the balloons. Yes. Tie the balloon very tightly. It is ready. Now I will show how to make a quadrant balloon bunch. I am taking here pink and purple. Just please observe how I am keeping the balloons in the center and just twist the balloon. That's all. They get locked and our balloon bunch is ready. You can do directly with this balloon bunch, directly decoration with this balloon bunch. I will show another bunch how to do. Just take the balloons, two balloon bunch, keep at the center and twist the balloons. I am twisting 2 times. Our balloon bunch is ready. You can do balloon decoration with this bunch, but I am taking other model of balloon bunch. Where I am going to keep small balloon in the center so that it looks like a flower. So I will show how to do. Here I am taking small pink balloon. I am blowing it. It should be very small in size because we are keeping in the center, so it is very small. Okay, now I am tying and I will place it in the center. I am taking one bunch and I am placing this pink color in the center of this bunch. I will show how to tie the balloon. Please observe how I am tying the balloon carefully. Now our balloon bunch is ready. This is our balloon bunch. This is one method, and other method I will show you. Keep the small balloon in the center of the bunch and just rotate the end around the balloon. This is the second method. Mostly I prefer the tying the balloon to the bunch because it stay for long time. I am taking purple opposite side and pink opposite side. I am placing the small balloon in the center. This is the other bunch. By using this bunch, I am going to show simple decoration. Yeah, balloon flower bunch is ready. With this bunch I will show you the simple balloon decoration. I will show you how to stick the balloon bunch to the wall. Here I am taking the big plaster to stick the balloon bunch. I am taking a 3-inch. I am cutting the plaster around 3-inch length and just roll the plaster as shown in the video. Now the plaster is ready to stick the balloon bunch. Keep the balloon bunch in the position, in the proper place, and stick the balloon bunch to the wall. Now I am placing plaster backside the balloon and just press lightly so that it will stick to the wall. Do this. I am doing the same on the other side. You can stick all the balloon bunches to the wall in the same manner. Now the decoration is ready. If you like the video, please like us, share us and subscribe us. Thank you for watching video.